Your eyes work nonstop every single day, processing light, color, movement, and detail. Yet many daily habits slowly damage them without you realizing it. Here are 10 things that are bad for your eyes, explained in a clear and practical way so you can recognize the risks and protect your vision before serious problems appear. First, excessive screen time. Staring at phones, computers, tablets, and televisions for long hours forces your eyes to work harder than they were designed to. Screens reduce blinking, which leads to dryness, irritation, and burning sensations. Over time, constant screen exposure can cause digital eye strain, blurred vision, headaches, and difficulty focusing. Blue light from screens may also interfere with sleep and contribute to long-term eye fatigue, especially when screens are used late at night. Second, poor lighting. Reading, working, or using screens in lighting that is too dim or too bright strains the eyes. Dim light forces your eyes to work harder to focus, while overly bright light can cause glare and discomfort. Constantly adjusting between dark and bright environments stresses the eye muscles and can lead to fatigue, dryness, and reduced visual clarity over time. Third, not wearing sunglasses. Sunlight contains ultraviolet rays that can damage the eyes just like they damage skin. Long-term exposure to UV rays increases the risk of cataracts, macular degeneration, and growths on the eye surface. Many people skip sunglasses on cloudy days, not realizing UV rays still pass through clouds. Without protection, your eyes are exposed to invisible damage that builds up year after year. Fourth, poor diet. What you eat directly affects your eye health. Diets low in vitamins A, C, E, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids can weaken eye tissues and increase the risk of vision problems. Lack of proper nutrition may lead to dry eyes, night vision issues, and faster age-related eye decline. Highly processed foods and excess sugar also contribute to inflammation that can harm blood vessels in the eyes. Fifth, smoking. Smoking is one of the most harmful habits for eye health. It increases the risk of cataracts, optic nerve damage, and macular degeneration, which can lead to permanent vision loss. Smoking reduces oxygen supply to eye tissues and damages blood vessels. Even secondhand smoke can irritate the eyes, causing redness, dryness, and discomfort. Sixth, not getting enough sleep. Your eyes repair and refresh themselves during sleep. When you don't get enough rest, your eyes may become dry, itchy, bloodshot, or sensitive to light. Chronic sleep deprivation can lead to eye twitching, blurred vision, and difficulty focusing. Over time, lack of sleep reduces your eye's ability to recover from daily strain. Seventh, rubbing your eyes too often. Rubbing your eyes might feel relieving, but it can be very damaging. Your hands carry bacteria and dirt that can cause infections when transferred to your eyes. Excessive rubbing can weaken the cornea, worsen allergies, and even contribute to conditions that distort vision. Pressure from rubbing can also damage delicate blood vessels around the eyes. Eighth, ignoring eye exams. Many serious eye conditions develop slowly and without pain or obvious symptoms. Skipping regular eye checkups means problems like glaucoma, diabetic eye disease, or macular degeneration may go unnoticed until vision loss has already begun. Eye exams are not only about vision correction, they are essential for detecting hidden health issues early. Ninth, dehydration. Your eyes need proper hydration to stay comfortable and healthy. When your body lacks water, tear production decreases, leading to dry, irritated eyes. Dehydration can cause redness, burning, and blurred vision. Over time, chronic dryness can damage the surface of the eye and increase the risk of infection. 10th, improper contact lens use. Wearing contact lenses longer than recommended, sleeping in them when not approved, or failing to clean them properly can seriously harm your eyes. Poor lens hygiene increases the risk of infections, corneal ulcers, and inflammation. Even minor mistakes in lens care can lead to painful conditions and long-term vision damage. Your eyes are delicate and irreplaceable. Many of the habits that harm them are part of everyday life, which makes them easy to overlook. By being aware of these 10 harmful factors and making small changes, you can protect your vision, reduce strain, and keep your eyes healthy for years to come. If you found this video helpful, Make sure to subscribe for daily health facts and turn on notifications so you never miss simple tips that protect your health every day.